This is Joey here at Best Trailers. Here today we have a 28-foot ATC all aluminum enclosed trailer. This is the rom500 version. It's their deluxe car hauler. This was 28 foot. You've got a generator box on the outside here. The .040 skin. This is the silver frost exterior. Full screwless exterior, no screws in the exterior. It's got the blackout trim pack that's going all the way around. You've got 7,000 pound torsion axles, spread axle design, as well as the premium escape door upgrade. Now the fender on this is removable. You can pull this out. Doesn't take any more than one hand to pull it right out. You've got a ramp door with a transition flap on the end of the ramp. The deluxe locks to go on it. LED lights, dual LED lights on the back, as well as a spoiler on the back with loading lights as well. It'll come standard with 4 D-rings in the floor, and then you can add more as needed, or we can add E-track to it. You've got rubber coin on the floor with white aluminum walls and ceiling with a black accent. You've got 4 LED lights in the ceiling, spaced out. As well as the electrical package, you got 2 receptacles, one in the front, one in the back. Has a 48-inch side door on it. You've got an air vent on the top, 12-volt air vent. Aluminum overhead cabinets, as well as the aluminum base cabinets. Got an L shape there, that way you've got room for your generator. Panel box up top. You got a shut off, so you can shut all the power off all at one time. LED light underneath the cabinets to light up your work area. This is a 28-foot aluminum ATC race hauler. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, right off of I-75. Number here is 478-654-5350.